We take the teaching profession really seriously at Augustana, and we have people with a lot of experience in the K-12 environment. And so it's really important to us that we are putting out into the world, into our education system, really qualified, passionate, responsible teachers who really care about this profession.
I came to Augie as just a communication disorders major. As a communication disorders major at Augustana, you have to take a class called Human Relations in Education. And I just realized that's my dream. My dream is to just be a teacher and help as many kids that I can.
These years that you spend at Augie, it's to help you discern, where does my passion lie? As an Augie grad, I found out I love teaching, and the age hasn't really mattered. Certainly something that I think sets our departments apart from other teacher prep programs is we are based on the Circle of Courage, and it gives students a real tool that they can use, in year one of teaching and beyond.
Augie does a really great job in the ed program, getting you out into the schools, where I have friends at other universities that don't get into the classroom until their junior year, and then they've been in one classroom before they student teach, and they talk about how scary that is. Where at Augie, every semester we're in schools.
We're centrally located in the biggest school district in South Dakota, and being able then to get students out into the field, into those types of schools, help open their eyes to how to teach a wide array of different types of students is pretty special. For some students, they have sometimes up to 3 placements because they want to try a middle school experience and an elementary experience, and maybe they have that SPED endorsement too, and so they want to be in a special ed classroom. If a student wants to teach abroad, they can teach abroad, and they can do that for their entire time, or they can do that for part of their time. The world needs good teachers, and so we'll send them wherever our teachers want to be.